GPHC trained and graduated its sixth batch of operating room technicians. Here is Delicia Haynes.
A simple graduation ceremony was hosted for 12 operating room technicians who graduated after 9 months of intense training. Included in the 12 were 2 medic soldiers from the Belize Defense Force. The graduates were charged by Assistant Director of Nursing Services Keith Alonzo to not become complacent in their new skill, but to develop themselves in this and other areas.
You've worked hard to achieve this milestone. Your work was not in vain, I can assure you of that. As certified operating room technicians, you have the necessary skills and tools that can open doors to many achievements.
GPHC's Chief Executive Officer, Brigadier Retired George Lewis, noted that as operating room technicians, they have a pivotal role to play in ensuring that people feel better and their lives are saved.
Your jobs places you in the operating room before, during, and after surgeons and nurses, preparing the operating room, ensuring all necessary supplies and surgical tools are there and sterile and free from any foreign bodies, and generally making certain that everything is in place in the correct manner.
The 9-month training course started in April 2017 and was primarily based at the GPHC. 80% of the training time was spent in the operating room, giving each trainee first-hand experience into surgical procedures such as ophthalmology, ear, nose, and throat surgical procedures, laparoscopic surgeries, and urological surgeries, among others. The batch of 12 then began a 12-week period of preceptorship in January 2018, where they continued to work on the supervision, improving skill and competence. For InfoHub, Delicia Haynes.